So their food is here, y'all. What is here? Is that puppy food? Is it puppy food? Is it the puppy food? Oh, is it the puppy food, Mama? What is it? Is he breakfast? Well, who's at the door, Fat? Let's go see. Let's go see who at the door. Who's at this door? Let's see. What do you see out there? Is that your breakfast? Is that your breakfast? Is that your breakfast? All right, let's get this breakfast. So we got puppy food delivered. Yes, we do. Here's the puppy food. Here's the puppy food from the grocery store for the puppies. They say, give me my God bless you food, Mama. Just breakfast. Say thank you. What you say? 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 Say thank you, Mama. What is that? What is up there? What is it? Is it your birthday coming up? So everybody, Toya has a birthday coming up. And she's gonna eat what? What are you gonna eat? You gonna eat that puppy cake for your birthday? Oh, sister. What is all this stuff? You all right over there, big brother? All right, everybody. So, y'all know I own 2 pit bulls. This bag lasts 2 weeks because the way I feed them. Because we don't want them getting too fat. That's part of their snacks that they get. A lot of mine come from PetSmart, Amazon, different things. This one here is the greenies. They love these. These have 43 teeny ones in them. And I get those because I give them 2 a day. And last but not least, you guys, it's fixing to be Toya's birthday. And that is on May 5th, which is Cinco de Mayo. And she knows it's her birthday coming up. So, her birthday cake is here, ordered. And now we all got to do is get that puppy ice cream. Yes. Thanks again, you guys, for hanging out with NASCAR Nana, this lovely fur gang. And with that said, that's it. That's all.